In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your tasks in Asana with a simple, clear workflow. By the end, you'll have one reliable system to capture everything you need to do, keep it tidy, and decide what to work on next, without the overwhelm. First, commit to using Asana as your main place to capture tasks, ideas, and reminders. The goal is to stop scattering notes across apps and sticky notes and trust one home for everything. Anytime something pops into your head, a quick errand, a project idea, a follow-up you don't want to forget, drop it into Asana right away so it's out of your head and safely stored. Inside your Asana workspace, set up a single project with 5 sections: Inbox, Next Actions, Waiting for, Someday, and Done. Think of Inbox as your landing zone for everything new. Next Actions is for work you're ready to move forward on. Waiting for holds tasks that are blocked until someone else or something else happens. Someday is the parking lot for ideas you might do later. And Done is your archive for completed items. Add every task or idea into the inbox first. Keep it fast and friction-free. A short title is enough. You don't need to organize or prioritize at capture time. The point is to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you're unsure where something belongs, inbox is always the right first stop. Then review the inbox regularly and move each task to the correct section. If a task is actionable and you could work on it soon, move it to next actions. If it's waiting on a reply, a delivery, or a decision, send it to waiting for and add a brief note about what you're waiting on. If it's interesting but not a priority, file it under someday. And when you complete something, move it to done so you maintain a clean, current view of your commitments. Only add due dates to tasks with real deadlines. Reserve dates for items that truly must be finished on or before a specific day, like submissions, meetings, or fixed milestones. Using dates sparingly keeps Asana from turning into a wall of red overdue flags and helps the dates you do see actually mean something. Finally, do a weekly review, pick a consistent time, clear your inbox, tidy each section, and choose your next actions for the coming week. Confirm what's still blocked in waiting for, prune. Someday if priorities have changed, and celebrate progress in done. With this rhythm, your Asana stays accurate, your focus stays sharp, and your plans stay realistic.